A much more economical building is in Lower Manhattan, 101 Barclay Street, which is directly north of the 7 World Trade Center. This was initially designed for the Bank of New York, and this project was completed in 1985, approximately 1985. It's now Bank of New York was Irving Trust Company. This was a very conscious shaping of the building. The conscious shaping of the building because it was very possible to have built a 40 or a 50-story tower on this site. But the objective here was to build a building that was essentially a cube that was stepped down 325 feet, and with a 23-story atrium in the middle of the building. The environmental benefits of such a strategy are quite obvious. First of all, not only is the overall surface area of the building substantially reduced, with a lot of interior space in this position, but furthermore, daylight is brought into the space by these clear stories. And this space here is an actual interior green space that's used as the employee cafeteria. So with a smaller surface to volume ratio than taller, slimmer buildings, the energy performance is substantially improved. And within the atrium, the 23-story atrium, the lighting of the atrium is brought out entirely either by daylight or in the night hours by the basic spill light that's coming through from the adjoining office spaces. And in addition, by this daylighting, the amount of artificial light in the office space was substantially reduced. The shape of the building was much more efficient because of its height. So therefore, it's a more efficient use of material itself. Since it presents a much smaller amount of exterior wall, there was less glass used, there was less aluminum used, and furthermore, because of the lower height, there was less energy used for an elevator, moving people up and down the building, and because of the lower height and the lower wind loads encountered, there is less structural steel that is required.